Hello everyone, I'm Govinda Tarabdar and the creator of the Musicsly.com. This is a very simple site and I build a site of having a problem of travel while listening multiple nature sounds, which is really unavailable in a free version of multiple applications. So they are also full of ads. Many sites that are giving this, but they are full of ads that they are always upselling things. But I feel I can create a something very simpler version. People will get the very simple thing what they actually need. So I feel I need to create this kind of platform. So I build a Musical.ly platform. This Musical.ly platform is definitely very helpful for those people, those who are actually looking for some musics, nature musics, to keep themselves focused on their work. So you can play any music from here in a multiple times, and a multiple music can be played. You can mixing the sounds by reducing the volumes. Also you can mixing the sounds with the natural storm, sea storms and rainy storm, or the street noise or fire time. Also you can play any single music from here. So this is the basic landing page here. From here you will get your current time. Those were people not wearing watches or seeing the things. So for these people, this is a very simple things. Currently it's now 1:30, 1:40 a.m. Right now here almost. So this data is coming from my browser data. So if while you were using this, this information will be collected from your browsers. So I am not collecting any data because there is no sign up options, no fuss or anything or any ads here. So we will all the information will be stored in your browser. I'm using Chrome, so all the data is stored with your local browser storage. So those who are familiar with these things definitely know the benefits of the things. But there is a drawbacks. If you clean your cache or browser history or anything, it will remove the data. So there is no chance for leaking your data or stealing your data from these sites, at least from now. So moving forward, I'm going to share the overview with you for the productions people. So I'm going to launch it here, so that I'm very much excited to share these projects with you. This is a very simple line I have added here, so please, if you don't like this, please ignore it. And how you can utilize this platform. So like if you want to hear the new sound of the fire cracking sounds, just play it from here. Also, if you want to mixing the natural sound from here, just play it right now from here. So if you're hearing the two music side by sides, like if you want to reduce down the natural sound, just reduce the volume here. Like if you want to hear some rain, the rain in the street or thunderstorm, so just play from it here. So you're sitting in a room, getting a natural sound and getting a thunderstorm. And if you want to mixing a wind sound, so on the outside, you will get the all ambience in a one place. But now the most interesting part is, as I have added so many musics and we don't have any idea of which musics are currently playing. But from here, just from here, currently playing sound, you can stop one by one which sounds you don't want to set. All musics are stopped from here. So you can get the current playing things and music will be stopped right now. So this is the best part of the thing of this website. You can play any music from here. These are the free open source musics. Also, I have given the credits of the Pizza Bay. So these musics are very useful. Sorry, ignore about that. Very useful for you. I feel these are very interesting. I feel that's why I'm going to share with you. And now the most interesting part, another most interesting part, those are people that very much focus on their work and wants to regularly follow the Pomodoro technique. So you will get the Pomodoro clock here. You can start the work from here. You can get a short break, or you can take a long break from here. Also, you can stop the work. This is the very simple things. So you will get the basic Pomodoro clock here. Also, if you want to track your habit, you can add your habit here. Like if you have a habit of drinking water, just I'm adding the name. So if you want to track the thing, like if you done the thing Monday, if you done on the Tuesday, if you miss that, if you done the Thursday. But if you want to delete, I have mistakenly added the things, so you can delete it from here very easily. Or you can refresh the data. Also, if you miss anything, you refresh all the things very easily. So if you mistakenly check box anything, so if you want to refresh it for that, oh, then definitely you can do it. Also, you can delete very easily. So that's it. It's a very easy, but there is no prompt. You have to be careful of your deleting any data. So be careful of adding any tags and have it truffle for you. Now moving forward, that is the most interesting part is the time tracker thing. So if you want to keep yourself tracking every data from on a regular basis, how many time you're taking for completing a task, definitely you can follow this time tracker machine. So you don't have to pay any extra amount to the time tracking tools or stealing your data. How many work efficiency are you don't want to share any of your data. So definitely you can use this platform. So if you want to start your work here, so just click the start button. The timer will be start. If you want to take a break, definitely take a break. Your work time will be stopped, but break time will be introduced. Also, if you resume your work, just click the resume work. The work time will be start. If you want to stop the work, definitely stop from here. So this is how the data will be listed here. So my daily work hour will be calculated here. And after the week, you will get the weekly work hour from here. So it will be helpful for you, for the people, those who are focused on the work, or to know the data, how many work hour they have done. So you will get the basic idea from basic information and work efficiency or from here. But if you want to reset the timer, just reset the timer from here. Or if you want to delete all your data, just click here, all the data will be deleted. See, information will be done. Now the most interesting part is you have some tasks you want to add your daily task or to-do list, something like that. You just click here, add the task. If you want to more tasks, then add the task. Just add more tasks and the task. Okay, fine. Tasks are done. If you want to track the record, how many tasks you have completed, just click here. You will get a progress bar, and definitely will. If you complete the all work, you will get the 100% of and you'll get a congratulations message. Okay, now if you want to delete all your tasks, just click the button. All the tasks will be deleted. Very easy, very simple. I think that will be helpful for everyone. That's why I have added the things because I need these kind of things on a regular basis. So that's why I build the thing for myself. And I really struggled for a long time to get the resources to get. I use the SoundCloud, I use YouTube, I use Spotify and other things to collect the information, music, but it's really tough because you can. Most of the apps doesn't allow you to play multiple music. Don't give you the mixing sounds, but those were people those not interested the loud music, but want to hear the natural sounds. You get plenty of natural sounds here. I've added as much as I can. So if you need more, if you have any favorite nature sound, definitely you can share with me. But definitely, if it will be available in the Pixel Bay or any open source MP3 formatted media file and share with me, then I will try to add it here so that everyone can be benefited from that music. So it's up to you now. Utilize this platform as your need and share with your benefit and give me motivation to keep continuing this kind of projects. Yeah, share your mood and share with your friends, those who are looking for the nature sounds and mixing their own their, their music master. So share with your friends and share your love and enthusiasm with me by giving a vote and share your opinions on how I can improve the platform. If you want to share anything personal, definitely contact me here. This is my Twitter fan and get in touch. You can touch me, get in touch with me from here. And I have added all credits from here. That's all about. And I again repeat the domain name is Musicsly, not Musically. This is Musicsly because I have added so many musics here. So I use the musicsly.com. So that's it. So, my dear product buddies, if you find this platform helpful, show your love to me and help me to create this kind of platform uh, to build a platform on a regular basis and improve the platform things, the music things for everyone. So that's all for now. Take care. Bye bye.